Hello students, welcome to class and happy Vegan Declaration Day to everybody who has decided that today is the day that they're going to start eating only vegan foods and they're going to stop exploiting and using animals. Here's a beautiful looking recipe. Check this out. Is this something you could make today? I think so. You are well on your way. My Vegan Declaration Day was on June 27th, 2016. What about you? If you're not vegan yet, what's stopping you? Maybe today could be the day that you decide to be vegan for the rest of your life. Now let's look at this for a second. Why should you not be vegetarian? Well, it's because they still hurt animals. You should be vegan instead. Unlike the word vegetarian, the word vegan specifically implies moral concern for animals. You see, veganism is much more than just a diet. Vegans do their best not to wear leather, fur, wool, or silk, and they're against zoos, circuses, rodeos, animal testing, and any other industry that exploits or abuses animals. Now, I'm sure you've been peeking at this recipe. What ingredients do you see? I see some noodles, some delicious looking pasta, and I love that color. It's one of my favorites, this bright green, made from mashed up peas. What else has she got there? What do you see? Look at that, 145 grams of protein in this whole batch that she made, and 70 grams of fiber per serving, which is also awesome. So, can you get protein from plants? Yes. Look at that. She put in some nutritional yeast. Did you see it? It was fast. Did you catch it? Nutritional yeast is that little yellow powder, sort of flakes, and it makes things taste cheesy. See if you can find it. It shows up really quickly. What else do you notice? Did you notice the pumpkin seeds? Did you? Oh, there it is. That was the nutritional yeast. There were the peas, and also some red lentils and tempeh. Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. Wow. I would absolutely eat this, and I would be thrilled if I went to someone's house and they served it to me. So, now that you know what to do, go on out there and get the ingredients and share this recipe. Share this video with somebody that you know and say to them, hey, let's make this today. And then tag me in your video and let me know how it went. Thanks for stopping by today, and thank you for being as vegan as possible. Coming up now is a song I composed a long time ago called Show Me Your Rainbow.
I don't care if you're gay, if you're a lesbian, that's okay. I don't care if you're dark, beige or white. Just show me what's inside, show me your light. I don't care if you're a boy who wears pink, or if you're a girl with very short hair. I don't care if you're old or young or where you're from. I just want to see your heart to know that you care. Show me your rainbow. Show me who you are. I'd like to know. Show me all your colors, how you care about I care how you treat others who don't have your privileges and choices. I care how you treat animals who cry alone without any voices. I care that you tread lightly on our precious Mother Earth. I care how you carry the most vulnerable and show them what they're worth. Show me your rainbow. Show me who you are. I'd like to know. Show me all your colors, how you care about others. Show me your rainbow. Show me who you are. I'd like to know. Show me your rainbow. Show me your rainbow. Love and acceptance, everyone in harmony. Love a song, a simple plan. You be you and I'll be me. Love and acceptance. What's in your heart? What's in your mind? All that truly matters is that all of us are kind. Show me your rainbow. Show me who you are. I'd like to know. Show me all your colors, how you care about others. Show me your rainbow. Show me who you are. I'd like to know. Show me your rainbow. Show me your rainbow. Show